and welcome to Play With Me, Toys for Kids. In a previous episode, I showed you guys this do-it-yourself lizard. This is a self-assembly induction lizard. Today we're going to be building it together, and I'm excited to show you guys this. It's a little bit complicated, so it's recommended for older ages, or that you do it with your parents. First up, let's take a look at the parts. As you can see, they're attached, and you're going to need to detach each of the parts. Here we have some pieces to make the axle. This will be to make the legs so that it can move back and forth. Decoration. This is around the neck of the lizard, and it's used for its protection. Here we have some transparent pieces. And the instructions, of course, which are going to be very helpful. So step 1, we need C6 and part C15. So I'll go ahead and look for those now. And each piece is clearly labeled, which is very helpful. Here we have 5. So it's none of those pieces. We'll go ahead and take a look at this one. This is C. So we need C6 and C15. Here we have C6. So I just need to detach this. As you can see, there's still some wire on the end, so I'll go ahead and cut that off of each end. And we also need to find C15, here it is. To complete step 1, we need piece C5. So I'll search for that as well, and then we'll have step 1 completed. All done! So we're on our way to building our lizard. As you can see, there's a lot of steps though, and it looks pretty complicated. In total, there are, let's see, 33 steps in total. So as you can see, this is quite a complicated project, and I think it's going to take more than one day to finish. But I'm going to keep building, and we'll see how far we get today. Hope you guys enjoy watching! So I finally have the head of the lizard built. This took quite a long time, so we're going to be doing construction in pieces. In an upcoming video, we'll build the body together. Here I'm at step 16, which is about halfway, And as you can see, the next one is the body assembly. So I figured this was a good place to take a pause and show you what's going on. And we'll go ahead and split the construction into 2 videos. It's very interesting. As you can see, the mouth opens and closes, and the neck also flares up. Perhaps you saw this earlier in the video. This is really quite complicated, so I would recommend either doing this with your parents, or if you have a lot of time, then definitely give it a try on your own as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. Stay tuned for the next video where we will assemble the rest, and subscribe to the channel for that. And write in the comments how you like this do-it-yourself lizard. I'll see you all next time. Bye! Bye!